Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Gerber Paraframe Mini Clip Folding Knife. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this blister pack is a Gerber Clip Folding Knife. It is the Paraframe Mini. It has a lightweight design, frame lock handle design, a pocket clip, and a 2.2 inch or 5.6 centimeter blade length. And it has a limited lifetime warranty inside of North America, but outside of it, it has a 25-year warranty. And taking a look at the back of the blister pack, there are some features of the Paraframe Mini Clip Folding Knife. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet. Okay, so let's figure this bit out. It doesn't have any open instructions, but let's use a penknife here and very carefully make a cut into the blister pack. And so you can see it is very securely packaged. Let's remove the contents from the pack, which is of course the Gerber Paraframe Mini Clip Folding Knife. And so that's the pack emptied. Let's set the packet on the right hand side of the frame. And set the contents out neatly on the tabletop. So right there, the Gerber Paraframe Mini Clip Folding Knife. Now let's start off by taking a look at this folded up leaflet that comes with this Paraframe Mini Clip Folding Knife. So there are some details, and I'm not quite sure what it is. It's too small to read on my LCD, but nonetheless, some details there. I think there we go. So it is some safety guidance for the Gerber product. So obviously details in several languages, as you can see, very many languages covered in this safety leaflet. Okay, so that's that. We can set that down. And moving right along to the Paraframe Mini itself. So I'm just going to tidy up the tabletop right here so there's not too many distractions while keeping all the contents neatly in view. Okay, so right here, initial impressions, very light in weight, but has that nice sturdy feel at the same time. And it does look quite exquisite once we can get autofocus right there. So it does have a high carbon stainless steel blade. And as you can see, that skeletonized handle design does of course keep things light in weight and minimal as well. But you can see the finishing quality is really, really excellent. And towards the back, you can see that there is that pocket clip right there. And you can see, for such a small blade, they do provide quite a nice length of clip right there. So just to give you some idea of the size, resting the Paraframe Mini in my palm, right there. So quite tiny. It's 3 inches closed, as it is showing right now, and 6 inches fully extended. And the blade itself measures 2.2 inches. So now I'm going to just take a close-up look right now. And you can see it does have a very nice satin finish to the metal handle as well as the blade. So just letting the light play on the handle so you can see how finely finished this pocket folding knife is. And giving you a closer look there with the Gerber branding on the pocket clip, and it does use Torx screws to hold together, as you can see right there, and giving you a look as to the thickness of the blade as well, and some perspective. So it does have that nice sheen on that satin finish to the overall surface of the blade. And extending the blade, of course, it does have the frame lock handle design, and there is a safety cap there on the drop point blade. It does have a nail nick as well for grip when unfolding the knife. So let's now take a look right there and pop the protective cap off. So being careful here, and just showing you the fine point of the blade, just cleaning that little bit of fiber off. So right there, and on the reverse side. So fully extended or open as it is right now, it measures 6 inches long and folded. If I can fold it right there, it measures 3 inches long. So 3 inches closed, 6 inches opened, and with that 2.2 inch drop point blade, and of course that frame lock handle design. It's nice to see that beautiful, finely crafted and finished Paraframe Mini knife from Gerber. I'm just giving you a look top down as well. Once again, just taking a close-up look. And showing you how the light plays on the various surfaces and angles of this clip folding knife. And there, the frame lock handle, just undoing the frame lock and folding it closed. And grip wise, just to give you some idea of the kind of handle on the knife. And of course size as well, being fully extended right there in my palm. So you can see that frame lock is really solid and secure. Having no play whatsoever at all. So giving you a nice close-up look right there at the frame lock design handle. So opening it up, pushing it out to close it up. So lovely satin finished high carbon stainless steel clip folding knife, the Gerber Paraframe Mini with a very lightweight design, drop point blade, frame lock handle, and of course that pocket clip as well. It's right there giving you a look at the pocket clip. Nice and stiff. So that's the Gerber Paraframe Mini Clip Folding Knife. Thanks for watching and happy cutting!